As we've learned the notes on the sixth string, the E, F, and G on the ledger lines under the staff, we come up to the song Doo-Wop on page 25. It tends to give students a little bit of challenge, first because the notes are a little hard to read yet because they're just learning those E, F, and G notes, but also because of the feel. Let's have a quick look at that and then double back to Jolly Good Fellow, which I skipped on page 14. It also tends not to be a big favorite at first when students work on it on their own, for the same reason. It doesn't have a good feel to them at first. They're both 3/4 songs, which isn't necessarily the cause of the issues because we did like Amazing Grace in 3/4, but there is something connected there. First of all, we'll have to read through our notes. We have our first ledger line under the staff, a note lower than D then, which is your C. You learned this on page 24 in Blues Bass and the other songs there. Joshua Fought the Battle of Jericho, for instance. C with a dotted half note. Half notes are worth 2 beats. A dotted half note is worth 3, which fills the bar in 3/4. So this is 1, 2, 3. Another C. You can't read my notes very well, but you will be reading from your own Hal Leonard, so you can read this B note under the ledger line. C is on the ledger line, B is a little lower. A is lower than B, so it's on the second ledger line. C, down a little bit to B, down a little bit to A. Another dotted half note on an A minor chord. We had a C note for a C chord, an A note for an A minor chord. What's happening here is we're actually playing a bass line instead of a melody, and these bass notes match the chords. There's your A again, drops all the way down to our lowest note, 3 ledger lines down. Hopefully you're not looking at the ledger lines as an innumerable number, but you've remembered that there's a maximum for us on guitar of 3, and that the one under the third is the E. So we've got our open E. Although I didn't space it very well, it comes up a little bit to the F on the line. E's under the line, F's higher, so it's on the line. We're on an F note again. Dotted half note, 3 beats. At the end of the line, we have 2 more F's and a G, a dotted half note filling that one bar. G is under the second ledger line. A was on the second line. G is a little bit lower. So we've got open A at the 5th string, G on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Then a run up from G, a little higher to the second line A, under the first line B, and then landing on the first line C. They end there, but I'm putting a repeat sign in there. So if I play this in strict 3/4 like a waltz, students will generally have a little bit of an issue with the beat. It doesn't quite come across to them as memorable and musical. The way you'd hear a waltz would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's not bad, but it just lacks a little bit of the feel of this type of song. This is actually a bass line written in a doo-wop style. It's actually a bit of a 6/8, where this bar and this bar feel like subdivisions of one larger bar, rather than 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with identical stresses. We'll have stresses that are a little bit different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't have that same impulse to hit that last one as much. I'll count it in 3 still, but I'll count it with that bit of a pulse that goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rather than the waltz 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, run up, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. so it'll probably feel like I just did it a little faster. It's not just that, it is a little bit of a different pulse. I left Jolly Good Fellow for this moment because it has the same kind of feel to it. Again, it's in 3/4, and we've got our dotted half notes for 3 beats, filling up some of the bars. And again, if you feel it like a waltz, and especially when you're just playing slow, it doesn't really come across to people. It will sound a little bit, hopefully, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Again, you can hear there's a little bit of a 6/8 thing to this. Bum ba da dun dun da ba bum bum ba da da. Rather than 2 equal bars, the pulse seems to move from one to the other. Starting on the word he's a jolly good fellow. If I put in the word for right here for people, for he's, then they get the pickup better and it feels better to them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, pickup note. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. A little anticipation on those. This song for strumming, it's the first 3/4 song people have. So you want to learn your strum on that too. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, One other thought I'd like to give you on this one, we've learned a lot of pentatonic songs in G, where we started on the open D string, came up to the G, and then even to the B. We also started on the G string in a G song. This song starts on the B string, the third. So those three notes are all part of the G chord. They're all featured in those licks, so it's kind of cool to see it in here. B, 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 A, B. So there's that open to 2. This C puts us out of pentatonic again, just like in Red River Valley. We have a C there, C landing on this C chord, and one in passing over in the D7. It's clearly not totally pentatonic because of those 3 C's, but notice how minimal the discursions outside the pentatonic are. So we've got B, 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 A, B. C is out of the pentatonic, it matches the chord. A, 2, O, 2, O, O, 2, O. C again, way up to that high E. Like in Auld Lang Syne. One more C. So even when a song isn't 100% pentatonic, you can hear how strongly the pentatonic scale influences it. On doo-wop, I missed one point I should have made. We're strumming in the key of C, and we have C and F and G at the end of the line. Again, I left off my last chord, my C. Let's do the magic again. Ta-da, C's there. In this we have C, 1 chord, F, 4 chord, G, 5 chord. And what I've been calling the doo-wop progression for some time now is C going to its relative minor, the A minor. So 1, a 6, a 4, and a 5. That's what's called the doo-wop progression. It's really nice to see it here in a song called doo-wop. So we get C, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, A minor, F, G, So it's an odd pairing of songs, but I like to have them sitting there together because of the feel that we have. And the counting of 3 beats per bar, but the sense of that background pulse that your rhythm section would give you, probably a different feel than a 1, 2, 3 waltz. We may be able to come back to this idea again in the future, but this will do for now. Have a good one. Bye for now.